So welcome to all for the course of refrigeration and air conditioning. Now we are going to study the construction and working of ice plant. Now how the ice plant works. So here as shown in diagram, so ice plant mainly consists of two circuit. One is primary circuit in which primary refrigerant will flow. So here second is secondary circuit in which secondary refrigerant will flow. Now so So in primary circuit, the primary refrigerant will flow, which is inside the which is flow inside through this primary circuit. Now the refrigerant flows through primary circuit we call it as a primary refrigerant because it will not come in contact with the water. It will not directly take actually not directly absorb the heat from the water from which we have to make ice. While the secondary refrigerant which will pass through secondary circuit. So the example of secondary refrigerant, for example, if you add the salt into water, then solution is formed, and that is called as brine solution. That is called as brine solution. So water plus salt solution is called as brine solution. So here is tank. So in that water this solution is there, it is brine solution. यहाँ पे जो solution दिख रहा है, it is brine solution. This which is the combination of water plus salt. वाटर में थोड़ा सॉल्ट डालते हैं then temperature of that solution get reduces and that is called as brine solution. So here brine solution acts as a secondary refrigerant. Now here our can are there, water cans are there. So these cans are deep inside the brine solution. तो इस कैन में हम वाटर डालते हैं, from that we have to make the ice. And these water cans are deep in brine solution. So brine solution can absorb the heat from the water. तो कैन में जो वाटर है उसमें से हीट कौन एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा? ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा. Then that brine solution after absorbing the heat from water through this pump, the brine solution will enter into the this brine solution. So after absorbing the heat will enter into this evaporator. So in evaporator, so primary refrigerant flowing through this primary circuit, primary refrigerant like R134A or ammonia, from compressor it will come in condenser, then expansion device, then enter in evaporator. So that primary refrigerant will absorb the heat from the brine solution. So primary refrigerant get vaporized, again sent to the condenser, and this brine solution get cool. It will again enter into this tank. So again this cool brine solution again absorb the heat from the water, so that water get converted into ice. So this brine solution get absorb the heat from the water, so that the here ice is formed, and that brine solution will again send to the evaporator where primary refrigerant like ammonia or R134A absorb the heat from brine solution. So that brine solution get cool and again enter into this tank. Again it will absorb the heat from the water, so that ice will form. Initially ice will form at the edge, then at the middle. So ice is formed, then ice will be taken outside. This can will taken outside from the tank, from brine solution, then used for the purpose. So this is about working of ice plant. So thank you for listening.